Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's ZIL video update for what is it, Wednesday 6th of April. And we've talked about ZIL coin previously as well, and the behavior that ZIL is doing actually, and what's going to happen in the future as well. Okay, now I'm only here on the 1 hour time frame, and I was giving you, some shout outs of this coin to actually go down to the 20 EMA. So I still expect nearly a retest of a 20 EMA right over here. So you still have three black rows, by the way. This is three black rows, and we talked about three black rows previously. But you're actually starting to maybe bottom out a little bit right over here with these green candles, but it's not confirmed just yet, and you might actually start to move sideways from here, and you might let the 20 EMA come up a little bit to catch up with the prices. Do you get my point here? So the 20 EMA comes a little bit, catch up with the price, maybe bottom out completely from there. That's the question. But the problem is on the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to show you one problem here, and that problem is that you are still below a, what do you call this, you're still in a resistance point on the 1 hour time frame. You see this trend line, you had a touch here. Okay, actually one touch, two, three, four, right? You broke out of it, you came up, and you failed the retest, you went down, you came up, you are not passing the resistance. Okay, so now what you want to do is you break out of this resistance potentially a little bit, and you go up, and I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. So if you do something like that, you might be putting in an inverse head and shoulder, and that's bullish. So if you do go up like this to this level 13973, and then you come back down to retest this trend line a little bit right over here, and you start to move like this, then you're going to be putting in a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder, and that's going to be your next technical targets from there to there. Maybe in the future, so I do expect something like this to play out. Okay, so you take the top to the bottom right over there and make an inverse head and shoulder breakout, and then you're looking to go to 16370, but you're still not doing that. Remember, you're still below the resistance right over here, and you are not crossing the resistance. Cross the resistance, back test the resistance, go like this, make inverse head and shoulder, and that's when we're going to talk about the bullish momentum. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.